Hi everyone. In last video, we saw activity lifecycle for basic activity navigation. In this video, we are going to see which activity lifecycle methods are called while working with dialogs. So I have added two extra buttons in previous design, one for alert dialog and one for permission dialog. In activity, I have added click listener to both of them. We don't need to go into implementation details of these dialogs. I will make a separate video for that. In this video, we are using dialogs just to learn about lifecycle methods. I have already run the application. So let's try and analyze the logs. First, I'm opening alert dialog. If you observe, nothing is changed. Logcat is empty. Not a single lifecycle method is called. Again, on cancelling alert dialog, same state. Now I will try and open permission dialog. If you have observed, onPause is called for first activity. Now I'm cancelling the permission dialog and the first activity is resumed again. So the basic difference between these two dialogs is one of them is activity and one of them is not. Activity goes into the pause state whenever another activity is opened on top of that. So as per official documentation of permission dialogs, it can open another activity on top of our own activity. So the first activity is entered into the pause state. And once I cancel the dialog, it will be resumed again. Whereas alert dialog is not a separate activity. So it doesn't make any change and activity stays in the same state and it doesn't change any lifecycle method. So that's the difference between these two dialogs. I will add links for details for the both dialogues in the description. Do check them out and keep coding. Bye.